So good morning. This is our application online exam which we have created, and whenever I click on this, first of all I just have to remove all the data to make it new. So I have cleared all the data and then start the application. So application interface seems like this. So this will consist of many number of buttons. First of all, I would like to ask you that I made this app very much user friendly. Even children who is up to above 5 year old can run this application very easily. And here you see some buttons like first test your web camera, then move further. Like for example, if I click on first test your web camera, then a pop-up screen occurs. uh, it asks for start. Whenever I click on start, wait for 2 seconds. So I have to wait, and then I have to open Chrome, which is third party source which I have used in my application. And as you can see here, my picture have been shown here. Hello. Now I pressed back over there, and now let me told you about second button, which is Bluetooth. Whenever I click on this, Bluetooth is off. Good. So whenever I on Bluetooth, like I have on my PC, my mobile phone Bluetooth, and click on Bluetooth, Bluetooth is on. Turned it off. As per the requirement features which will be present on Hackathon 1.1, we just have to block Bluetooth setting. So this is possible. So whenever I click on Bluetooth, Bluetooth is on, turned it off, then the user must be turned it off. And now I click on Bluetooth, Bluetooth is off. Good. Now let us check our internet connection. First of all, if, as you can see, my internet connection is available, and I have connected my Wi-Fi. And whenever I click on check internet connection, internet is connected. And when I off my Wi-Fi or internet source and click on check internet, internet is off, turned it on, because internet is must for giving online exam which is proctored. And further, I just want to told you something that the capture image before start exam is one of the best feature in our app, because this will save the image in our database. Like for example, I click on this. Whenever I click on this will ask for capture image. So I have to open the camera. Like for example, I have captured this image. Okay, now I have to tick, and after that return to main page. As you can see, your picture saved in our database. Now next is teachers portal. Whenever I click on teachers portal, it will ask for go to portal. I click on this, wait for 2 seconds, and this is our administrator sign in portion. Okay, so whenever I click on this administration sign in, the teacher may upload question papers or take attendance of students as well. So I leave this for now. And I have also added block all notifications. Block all notification is not a valid permission for applications. So I have added a video that how to manually uh, block all the notification from our Android device. So here whenever tap over here, a video pop-up comes here. When I unmute this, the voice may comes up like this. Scroll down until you see notifications or I pause this and come back. Now I also told about my team in the last button, like about team geekers. Whenever I click on this, and here is the pop-up, here is the information about our team tech geekers. Whenever I click on this, this will ask for all is well. All is well is our motto of this application, because we want everything seems to be very well. So when I click on open, then here we go. This is our team. Deepak Kumar, Dalip Kumar, Vanshika Chaudhary, and my name is Vivek Dhiman. Okay. When I click on back, let us move toward the home page. And the last and most important thing is Google Sign-in integration. Yes, our application also existing and provide benefit of Google Sign-in, which is very secure. And when I click on Google Sign-in integration, this will ask for some emails. Okay, so I have to select this first email which consists of my name and my email. Let us click and see what happened. As you can see, my name have been occurred over here and my email also on the over the screen like this. And here is the roll number of mine, which will be conducted from the server, which will be attached to my app. Okay, so if I want to sign out, then I easily sign out from my app like this. Here is a button named as sign out. So as you can see, I came over the front end screen, which is a home screen. Okay, now again I click on Google, then I came toward this site. As mentioned in the project that we just came over the Google sign in, then user may not go back to the home screen. So if I try to click back, then it will not working. Attention, test may be cancel if you try to go back. All right, now get instructions. As you can see here, return get instruction notification. First of all, I remove all these, and as you can see, when I click over here, a notification at the top, I hope you are ready, tech geekers, all is well. This will occur. Okay, like for example, I again click on this, and here we go. All right, now we just have to capture our image to represent the teacher that we are giving the paper. Okay, so I click on capture image, and I have captured my image like this. All right, so this will and tick on this. As you can see, my image is captured and I am ready to take test, and I have to click over here take test, and in that screen you have to click open test. Wait, your test is loading, and here we go. Here is the test. The user may give the test and tick untick, everything is given over here, and from this screen user not able to go back. All right, like as you can see here, user may not go back. Attention, test may be cancelled if you try to go back, pop-up comes up. I also added here a calculator. Whenever a user need calculator for solving anything, he may use this calculator. All right, first of all, let it be gone. Attention, test may be cancelled if you try to go back. As you can see, sum is 444 and minus करेंगे तो subtraction is 0 and multiply is 49284 and divide is 1. Okay, so it's time to go back, and if I try to go back from the test, it is not possible. So that's all about my application. And one thing I have left behind is, let's just wait for a second, online exam. I have also added term and condition option. Here student will ask to read all the information clearly, that how he or she may give the paper very easily. Okay, so now I came on the sign out portion. As you can see here, I also give my logo for like tech geekers at the top of the bar, action bar, and I also given here a back key, like I have pressed over here, then I move toward the next activity. All right, now let us move run my application again, and I click over here, then my application closed. That's all about today. I hope you enjoyed my application. My English is not so good, but I have explained very well, I think so. So have a nice day. Good day.